Hello, Zaylee.
Hi, Mommy.
Today, where are we today?
In the farm.
Yeah, we're visiting a farm. And can you see a lot of farm animals there?
Mommy.
So can you please explain those farm animals to me?
Okay. The pig, the goat, the cow, the horse, and the hen.
What does the pig do? What does he eat?
He eats.
He eats everything that is available to him, right?
He eats everything available.
Yes. And what does he do when he feels hot?
He rolls in the mud.
He rolls in the mud,
He's
yes.
a dirty pig.
Dirty, dirty pig, yes.
He's a dirty piggy.
Yes. And what does a goat do?
It's also called the sound. I don't know that song.
Okay, no. What does the goat give us?
Milk.
Milk. And what does a cow give us?
Milk.
Milk and lot of milk products. What are the milk products the cow gives us?
There's also called the cow laughing cow.
Oh, you mean the cheese. Okay. And what else does the...
Cheese is made of milk.
Yes. And what else do we get from milk?
Ice cream.
Uh-huh.
I was eating.
Okay. What else? What else?
Your mommy was eating it.
Ice cream. Yes, correct. What else do we get from milk?
Lassi.
Lassi. What else?
Milk. Chocolate milk.
Okay, chocolate milk. What
And
about
ice cream milk.
ice cream milk? Okay. The hens give us?
Eggs and chickens.
And what about the pig? What does he give us?
The pig gives us pork and bacon.
Okay. Okay. To eat. Okay, fine. Okay. So can we circle all the farm animals that you know of?